Will ADA be hitting dollars? Will ADA be able to skyrocket? Will it cross heights in 2022? There is a lot of news going on about the cryptocurrency ADA. It's been in the spotlight for recent times. Every ADA investor is concerned about the upcoming price value of ADA. According to Nasdaq, Cardano has not yet gone down and did not expect to go soon. They have good evidence to support their statements. Hello there guys, welcome back to the channel and greetings. Today's video will discuss whether Cardano ADA will hit the price and skyrocket in the coming times, so be sure to stay focused. Cardano had a bad time in 2021, especially in the end. Its price went down and made investors concerned and worried for the current price market then. As these are volatile coins, they are on and off fluctuating coins. Now that you're aware that Cardano has been losing ground for some time, the ADA coin's price is 35% below its closing price of $1.37, per the 2021 report. It illustrates how volatile the ADA cryptocurrency has been and how far it needs to rise for everyone who bought it at the end of 2017 to break even. Cardano, the 9th largest cryptocurrency, must increase by about 54% to achieve the same level as last year. Cardano suffered losses in 2022 and more recently during the general crypto market turmoil that would probably drive investors to flee. Yet many signs point to ADA and its holders' future is brighter. Report from Nasdaq. A recent report from Nasdaq was predicated on the idea that the total value locked in the project, or TVL, may be used to gauge Cardano's rise or fall. Additionally, they noted that the growth in the number of ADA wallets is strongly related to TVL. Investors in cryptocurrencies should bear this in mind as the price of Cardano increases in 2022. They say ADA crypto is reasonably priced, given the locked value. For those who don't know, smart contracts use TVL. The total value of state-owned crypto assets such as smart contracts and deposits with yield and staking features is locked up. Ethereum and Cardano both offer decentralized applications, smart contracts, and NFTs. This is particularly true in the financial industry, where decentralized finance apps are used for staking and yielding farming contracts. For example, in the case of Cardano, according to Defeat Llama, the TVL at Cardano has already reached $208 million in May, while on January 20 it was only $3.2 million. The objective is that when the TVL for Cardano increases, the price of the ADA coin should likewise climb. Wing Riders app. This is a significant leap ahead. According to the network tracking tool Defilama, a recently suspicious software named Wing Riders developed on Cardano earned close to 8,000% of its TVL in the past month. It would appear that there is an apparent connection between TVL and the pricing of Cardano. According to the Nasdaq analyst, another metric that can be used to determine Cardano's level of popularity is the number of wallets that support ADA. According to Google Data Studio, as of April 25, there were 3.2 million wallets carrying ADA, but as of March 27, there were around 3 million Cardano wallets. This information comes from the cryptocurrency's blockchain. During this period, this equates to an increase of 200,000 wallets, which is a growth rate of 4%. Given the direction of the buying demand associated with ETA crypto, the number of ADA crypto wallets may expand by 48 yearly throughout the subsequent year. This would mean that ETA crypto might increase by at least 80% of this amount, which would be 38%. Mark Hake opinion. According to Mark Hake, both criteria suggest that Cardano investors could expect a growth in the value of ADA during the following 12 months. Because of this, Cardano will likely continue to strengthen over the long term if wallet growth is substantial, and most recently, purchases by so-called big whales reached a 4-month high. It is related to the price fall, but despite its speculative nature, the news is bullish and suggests that the long-term price of ADA will increase. In the meantime, this report from Nasdaq's Mark Hake mentioned some other crucial metrics pointing to a potential increase in the price of ADA in the upcoming months. Now that a significant update has been completed, we know that the Cardano blockchain ecosystem has continued to expand rapidly. This development might be assessed regarding customer interest and new features and upgrades. Since figures acquired by a bold light show that over the past 30 days, more than 2,000 new holders have been added daily. 2.3 new holders are added daily, representing an increase of 70K, according to data from the Cardano blockchain. A 4-month high hit Cardano whale trades and insights as big traders bought the dip. On May 13, when the ADA price was at its lowest point of 40 cents, Cardano whale activity was higher than it had been since January. There were 1,085 transactions worth over $100,000 on May 12, indicating interest from institutional and retail investors. Addition of new smart contracts. Another worth mentioning is that, on average, Cardano adds 70 new smart contracts to its network weekly. Recent weeks have seen an increase in the number of developers using the platform, from 2,400 on April 8 to 2,683 today. The largest proof-of-stake blockchain, which serves as a platform for smart contracts based on Cardano, received 283 Pluto scripts on May 8. Cardano CEO Charles Hoskinson. In a recent tweet, Cardano's Chief Executive Officer Charles Hoskinson made an intriguing question. He questioned whether the business had sold NFDs worth $27 million in the previous month. Why isn't it published on websites where initiatives have successfully raised less than $10,000 in NFDs? We should be more interested in the figure for net sales of $27 million rather than a hypothetical response to his query, because it is more likely to be accurate. It is important to note that Cardano is not one of the leading blockchains when the quantity of net sales occurring within a 24-hour period is considered. However, if NXT sales maintain $27 million, even though NFDs are contentious, they should in theory be placed near the top of the market. On the other hand, Cardano ought to attempt to retain as much of the market as feasible. Game changer for Cardano. We now also know that the Cardano development team is working on the upcoming hard fork, which, according to an early estimate, is anticipated to take place in the year 2022. In addition, the most recent development occurred when the Cardenas crew was getting ready. Because of this, Cardano's protocol will be significantly expanded, resulting in a significant increase in transaction throughput, volume, and liquidity. This will be a game changer for Cardano because an increase in Cardano's transaction throughput will position it in a place of significant superiority compared to rival cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Solana. As a direct consequence, the network will become more appealing to developers, leading to an increase in the number of decentralized applications and smart contracts built on the Cardano platform. This points to the fact that there will be a significant increase in the utilization of Cardano. In general, we can state that the year 2022 has been challenging. This assertion is correct for virtually everything, including Cardano. Cardano has made its way to multiple locations without encountering any opposition. The price fell to 51 cents, down from $1.33. Market bottom forecasting is notoriously tough. It is possible that Cardano has not yet reached this stage. Nonetheless, the majority of estimates indicate that there is a large upside. Even though government capital anticipates cardinal prices to reach $1.96 in a year, digital coin pricing forecasts that the average price of Cardano in 2022 will be a far lower 67 cents. This prediction contradicts the government capital forecast. According to projections made by other analysts, the cardinals are expected to be approximately $1.5 per coin on average in 1 year. Because of its logical development path is supported by empirical evidence, Cardano is an intelligent choice among cryptocurrencies. That's all we have for you today. Take a look at how you can predict cryptocurrency ratings. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe to the channel and switch on notifications. First and foremost, what do you think about Cardano ADA? And how can you justify it more precisely to deliver it in top-ranking currencies? Please participate and share your thoughts in the comments section below.